You know those adjustable benches at the gym? They're usually by the dumbbell rack. A lot of beginners are intimidated to use them, but don't be. Here's a beginner full body routine using dumbbells. To train your back, you'll typically need to do a rowing exercise like this. But if that's too hard on your back, you can use the bench for support by leaning your knee on it. Row one arm at a time, keeping your back straight. But here's a cool beginner hack. Raise the back seat to an incline, lay on it face forward, and row. Your back is going to be super supported. Just make sure to put a towel down if you're at a public gym. Now for your chest, you can do some flat bench press. This is great if you can't do push-ups. You can also do incline bench press for your upper chest. For your shoulders, bring the backrest completely up. When you start to use a little heavier weight, don't do this to bring up the weight. You risk injuring your shoulder. Instead, place the dumbbells on your lap and kick up. That will give it a big boost and puts less strain on your rotator cuffs. Now for your arms, you got the traditional bicep curl and tricep extensions. You can also do this on a slight incline if you want to. And for our legs, the bench is a great place to modify our squats. We can do some sit stands on the bench. Do 10 to 15 reps, 3 sets for each.